If This Is the Last Time, a brand new song by LANY. This one's getting a lot of action lately. And by the way, if you like what you're seeing, please subscribe down below. I really appreciate it. And hit me up if you got anything to say or any comments or whatever you got. So this one is, I'm going to teach you, there's a lick that goes through the whole song and is constantly there. I'm going to teach you that first, and then I'll run through the chords for you. So the way the lick goes, it's used using the D and the G string. So the chord is a B, okay, and he goes like this. And then he goes to an F sharp. So you got your third finger on the fourth fret of the D string. You're basically spelling out part of the F sharp chord, F sharp chord, major chord. So the first one is the B. F sharp, then you go to G sharp minor, and then an E, and the chords are B, F sharp, G sharp minor, E, and that's pretty much it. That's the song. If you want the complete blueprint for this song, including the tabs, chords, and more, go to jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's completely free, and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier. And what makes the song rise and fall, the dynamics of the song, are he basically empties out and lets this little lick pretty much comes in and okay, it doesn't really change through the whole song, except there's a little break in there where it just lets the B ring out. It goes and it comes into the chorus. So if you can just pick up on the rhythm of that. Hypnotic, right? You can see that. And just understand that those notes are contained in the chorus. Okay, If This Is the Last Time by LANY. Cool little song. I like the way the atmospheric feel of it. Kind of rises and falls, and then it's got that hypnotic little lick that I showed you there. Hope you enjoy it. See you down the road.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll, rock and roll. Stay awesome and rock and roll.
Hey, thanks for watching the video. And you know what, it would mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button above and then hit the bell notification for new videos when they come out.